Extruding a surface. We can extrude anything that is a surface, and we can have any planar surface. Anything that's on a sheet of paper or on a plane can be extruded. So we're going to take this polyline that wraps around here, and we're going to make it into a planar surface. To do that, we're going to go up to the Surface tab, click on our Surface tab. Up here, we're going to go to Planar. It creates a planar surface. Click on it. It'll say select, specify the first corner of the objects, I can come down here and pick object, and I'll pick on that closed 2D object. It has to be closed. I'll hit enter, and it creates a surface on there. Now I'm going to do the same thing to this one over here. I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to say planar. On my Surface tab, I'm going to go to planar. I'm going to choose the option and pick the object. Now I got two planar surfaces. They're just sheets of paper, if you will. Now what I want to do is I want to extrude it. I'm going to go back to the Home tab. I'm going to go to Extrude. The first one I'm going to come down here and check is my mode. Notice by default solid is set. So I'm going to have the solid one on this one. I'll pick it. And I'll say OK, enter. And how high do I want to go with it? I'll say 5. Yeah, a little tall. Oh well. So there I go. I have now, this is a solid object. If I go to extrude and I go to my mode and I go to a surface and I select this object and I hit enter and I go up and I'll do a little shorter here, I'll do 3. You'll see that it's a surface, and getting used to my new mouse here. I'm not sure why my mouse is not really working that well, but you can see that is a surface now. Okay, where the one on the left is a solid. Okay, and so when we're extruding a surface, it has to be a planar surface. In order for it to be a planar surface, we have to go up to the Surface tab, make it that closed 2D object into a surface. Then we can use the extrude command, and we want to make sure that we're typically in the solid mode when we're extruding an object.